Peru, donde para? Let's go, let's go, take it that, let's go, let's go, Now this is a vibe, hey. Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again. Obviously, if you're new to this channel, be sure to like, share, subscribe so that the algorithm can smile on your boy. Alright guys, today we are looking at Fireboy. After his drought from singles, from personal releases throughout since Apollo, right? He has been releasing features though. He has given us straight bangers. I think all those songs have been very well accepted and they did well to their own regard. He hasn't really missed since Apollo. With Shere, with DJ Spinall, he had History with Check. He had also and also Salty Love with Peruzzi, all bangers, all hitting, man. And I'm excited to see where he's going sonically for himself. All those features had diverse delivery on it, so you can tell that he can play around. But I'm intrigued to see where his head is right now. We're getting to this new song. Hopefully it's leading towards an album, okay? Yeah, I think it might be leading towards an album depending on how this one goes. But anyway, without any further ado, let's get right into this one. This one is called Peru. Is it Peru the country, or like nickname Peru for Peruzzi or something? I don't know, man. Peru, whatever. Let's say Peru. Let's go with Peru. Let's go. Okay. Oje. Hey. I like this pattern. It's very, very simple. It's very, very like it's somehow nostalgic in a way, man.
I'ma get no be so. Girl, you won't capture my soul. I'ma get no be so. Make we one bolombo.
Okay.
Peru, bye.
Hey.
Peru,
Hey. Okay. Hey.
Even Peru done the para.
Okay. Right now, the way he is vibing and flowing on this beat, it's so apt, man. It's so on point for this kind of vibe. And bro, and obviously his voice. Clean so far, man, bro.
Nothing Josie, I'm in Josie. Won't call it for one Josie. I'm not playing with you, I'm not joking. My thought of mom is loaded. Me you can fight, but I'm on board.
He said it's in Josie, it's not Jonesy. I like that play of words, man. That's funny.
I'm on duty, but I'm on low-key. They want do me, they want do me, they want do me, gonna want do me. When you won't want me, I'm in San Francisco, Jammy. When you won't want me, I just flew in from Miami. Peru, Peru, I'm loose.
Where did I hear this? When you won't want me? Was it Wande Coal that said this in the song? I think it's referencing something from Wande Coal here. When you won't want me. Where did Wande Coal sing this song? I swear, he has to come back to me, man. I've been writing in the comment section if you know what song that was from. But I know Wande Coal has done it in a particular song. It's just not coming to me, man.
Want do me, gonna want do me. When you won't want me, I'm in San Francisco, Jammy. When you won't want me, I just flew in from Miami. Peru, Peru.
Okay, the man's been flying around. Like we've seen through his Insta. If you know anyone that's following his Instagram, following his movements, he has been based in the United States for a while. Obviously, he's worked his way towards a status that feels almost A-list at this point. I think many people can justify him being A-list of our A-list artists ever since dropping two amazing, incredible albums and just having numerous hits. For early on in his career, he has that appeal now. He has that status to feel like, this guy has been based in the US. He's been traveling, working, and man, it's looking good for him. Still, it's looking good for him. I love that. That's funny. I'm Lou. If you guys know Peruzzi, his catchphrase is I'm Lou. I'm losing control. from that Mind song. That's where Peruzzi got it, from that Mind song. But anyway, that was Peruzzi's catchphrase, and it just basically did, or it did like a nice shout out to Peruzzi for that, man. I like it.
She says you like my tunes. She say me I never seen a girl like you. Say you like my tattoos. Tell me I want to be inside you. She's my woman, inside Punas.
I think this is what everyone's been talking about. I've been seeing a lot of conversation about Wande Cole in this song. I thought it was just off of the fact that he was saying when it won't want me was a reference to Wande Cole, at least to like tie something, or at least to pay homage to Wande Cole. But I see what people are saying about his delivery and like even his vocal texture, how he made himself sound and flow into that second verse. It definitely reminds you, or immediately like you think of Wande Cole. Maybe it's because he has already prepared us with that 1-in-1 me line, and now he's getting into the verse, and now because subconsciously we're already thinking about Wande Cole, that's why we're thinking about Wande Cole in the next verse. Maybe that's why, but I can definitely hear something Wande Cole-esque for sure, man. That's
me I never seen a girl like you.
Come on.
Say you like my tattoos. Tell me I want to be inside you. She's my woman.
Nah, I hear it. What? No. I definitely hear it now. It sounds like Wande Cole, bro.
In my new van, come to me, yeah, they swim like tuna. When you won't want me, I'm in San Francisco.
Oh, this is
when
so
you won't
addictive.
want me, when you won't want
Yes.
me, I just flew in from Miami, Peru, Peru.
Now this has a
Even Peru done the para.
this has every reason to like take off, man. This definitely sounds like a strong single to open the year with, man. Strong. Peru done the para. Peru done the para. Let's go, take it that, let's go, let's go, Now this is a vibe, this is smooth. I'm definitely hitting replay on this, man. I'm definitely coming back to this. This is sick. Let's go. Add it. Nah, that was a vibe. That was actually a vibe. Peru, don't they para, man. This is mad. I mean, he just recently came off of a song with Peruzzi, so I'm sure they had like a fun go around with this particular song. Who knows how much Peruzzi was actually involved in this, man. But when it comes to narrative of the song, he's obviously flexing to some point. He's letting you guys know he's flying here, he's flying there, he's getting shows, he's in high demand, he's up there right now. I think that was the flex that he came with on this song. Another thing about the song was like, you can definitely hear the homage he was paying to Wande Cole. From the first instance, he was saying, when it won't want me. I can't remember where that line was. I beg, help me, guys. Help me in the comment section. When it won't want me, where did Wande Cole say that? But anyway, Sha, you can definitely hear the Wande Cole influence here, and then take it down to the second verse. And I'm like, yeah, the second verse convinced me. This definitely felt like I see Wande Cole was voicing it, bro. But I mean, he obviously has made it known numerous times that Wande Cole is definitely one of his strongest influences. They have a song together off of his Apollo album. Yeah, Wande Cole is obviously birthed a lot of vocalists in the Afropop space, and Fireboy just definitely happens to be one of those offsprings of Wande Cole's delivery and style, man. And I think this is gonna slap. This is definitely gonna perform well. At this point in his career, he's just consistently going on and doing exactly what he has shown before. This man doesn't look like he's stopping anytime soon. His career is having a phenomenal ride so far, and I think we're all on board for it, and I'm ready, man. I'm excited. Obviously, you can hear in the song, it said my third album is loading, and he made it clear. He let us know. We can't even speculate anymore. He said the third album is loading, and I'm excited for a Fireboy album. A Fireboy album, trust me, is always gonna be. It's gonna be like high demand. I don't know if it's gonna be going back to back each year. Obviously, he dropped Laughter, Tears, and Goosebumps in 2019, Apollo in 2020. Maybe in 2021 he's giving us another album. but I'm always here for it, and I'm always here for a Peruzzi. I say Peruzzi album. Say Peruzzi, don't enter my mouth now. Fireboy album, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think about it. Did you hear the one they call Influences? Did you think the song was good? I definitely caught the vibe of the song immediately, just off of the drum pattern, man, and his first couple words on the song. I was in, man. Anyway, let me know what you guys think about it. I've been your boy Emmanuel, aka palmwinepapi. Check out the rest of the content here and on my main channel as well. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Even Peru done it bad.